traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on gold, I definitely am still looking at this as a 1-2 and a big old wave 3. I still see absolutely no reason to think that this wave 3 is over. And wave 3s can extend way further than you think. I mean, this thing could continue up and just keep on going and going and going. Eventually, it's going to have to make a big pullback for a wave 4 and a wave 5, but I definitely do not see any signs of this wave 3 being over yet. Going down to the weekly time frame, same thing. I mean, we don't have a Fibonacci bounce. We definitely don't have a break of structure. We definitely don't have a lower high. There is zero proof at all that this wave 3 is over. This, on the sort of time frames, this move down that we're seeing could easily just be a correction within a big uptrend. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, even on the daily time frame, we really don't even have any proof that this thing is going down in any significant way. We have the end of a correction way back here, and then we have a wave 1, we have a wave 2, and this is all higher highs, higher lows for a wave 3. Until we actually see some sort of a break of this series of higher highs, higher lows, we can't even say that this wave 3 is complete yet. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, now we're looking at a trend within a trend. This trend that we're currently seeing is just a small piece of that big wave 3 trend on the much higher time frames. So it definitely looks like a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3. Now maybe we're in a wave 4 right now, which would possibly look like this before we go up and make a wave 5. I also see the possibility that this is like an expanding flat right here and we're already in a wave 5. So I would personally still be primarily only looking for logs in an uptrend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, now I have my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here because this should be a wave A. Now this, you would think that this move up would be a correction to this move down, so you would expect this to be a wave B, maybe going out to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, then making a push to the downside for a wave C, and it should all be an ABC of wave 4, which means that once it goes out, takes out the low of wave A, it will probably just keep on trending up for the big wave 5. And like I said, this is all just a small piece of a big trend on the much higher time frames. Now I also do see the alternative that this could be a wave A, this could be a wave B, and this could be a wave C, like an expanding flat. If that's the case, this could just keep on trending up, which is why I'm still really recommending that people primarily look for longs in an uptrend. I honestly don't think I would even try to short this wave C because this wave C may not even happen. The wave C may already be in and it may already be going up for a wave 5. So definitely be cautious trying to short gold. I know a lot of people are trying to short gold, and I highly recommend not sorting gold until we have some sort of a break of structure, at least on one of these much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.